have been using Live.2 for about a month. It is left on the wall-mounted laptop dock paired with my MacBook Pro when working in my home office. The charging case has a giant battery inside, so I never have to worry about battery life. And it is always put back into the case when I'm done. I probably only charged it twice in the past month. The sound quality is great and indistinguishable from my other in-ear wireless earbuds. Please like and subscribe and check out the building process of this wall-mounted dock. The microphone quality of these earbuds and its Bluetooth range will be tested in the following review. I also use it when I do woodwork in my garage to protect my hearing and when I'm mowing the lawn. And here is the test connected to my iPhone, and we're gonna do the range test. iPad and Soundcore Flare. We're gonna do a FaceTime audio, and we're gonna leave the iPhone here and test the range. Your ear, right? Now, let's make a call. Alright, doing FaceTime audio, and it's connected. Let's talk. Come on.
Alright, so right now I'm about like 2 feet away from the device. Now, I think it's about 50 feet from over there. So now we're gonna walk over there.
Say something.
I may be about 25 feet away. Now I'm like a little bit farther, almost 50. Now I'm at 50 maybe. I'm gonna keep on going over there, up and up.
It's amazing, right? It's over 50 feet. Let me zoom in. Talk.
I'm a little bit farther now. How about 70 feet?
Amazing. So my iPhone is here, and it's maintaining that connection.
Pretty strong.
Well, I'm losing you.
I'm at least 100 feet away right now.
Oh my God.
Well, I'm somewhere far, maybe 50 to 100. Somewhere in between that.
Keep going.
Keep on going.
Keep going.
The goal is the stop sign. That's about 200 feet away.
You're breaking up a little bit. You're breaking up a little bit. Keep going.
Yeah. I'm going.
Yeah, keep the line of sight. Do not let anything block us. Keep going. Yeah. Just maintain visual contact, please.
That issue was blocking it.
Yeah, I think that's reasonable range. That's acceptable. Keep going. Keep going. Say something. I'm losing you. Or I think that's it. Come back.
The connection is still sort of good.
All right. Come back.
And I keep on going now.
Go to the car and come back, okay?
And we're gonna go and then back.
Yeah, go to the car and back.
Okay.
One, two,
This
three.
is maybe 50 feet away.
Okay.
Alright, this is like 25 feet away.
Yeah, perfect.